So this is the HTML code that I have written for the project. Let's take a closer look. We start with the doc type declaration followed by the opening HTML tag which specify the language of the document. The head section include various meta tags and links to external style sheets for Bootstrap custom styles and font awesome icons. Next we have navigation bar at the top of the page that include the title of the document. Moving on the main content of the document, we have a search form on the left and list of our favorite movies on the right. The search form allows user to search for a movie using Omdb API and the results are displayed on the right side of the page. Users can also add their favorite movies to the list by clicking on the heart icon. Okay, now come to the next part of this project, which is a script.js, which is a JavaScript section of these projects. So in this I have defined various functionalities. So first is remove favorite, which remove a movie with the specified IMDb ID from the favorite list. And second is render favorite functions, updates the list of favorite movies in the HTML by iterating over the favorites array and creating a new list items for each movies. And third one is add favorite, so which adds a new movie to a favorite list by pushing the objects to the end of the favorite array and calling a local storage set items function to update the value of the favorites key in the local storage. And fourth function is search input, which is a event adds an event listener to the search input field that listen for changes to the input values. When the input value changes, the function get the search terms and trims any white spaces and converts it to a lower case for consistency. If the search term is not empty, the function makes a fetch request to the Omdb API to search for movie with that term. If the response form from the API is successful, the function iterates over the movies array and creates a new div element for each movie. The div element contains an image element for the movie poster, a link to the movie details page, and a heart icon. When a heart icon is clicked, the add favorite function is called to add the movie to the favorite list. The render favorite function is called to update the list of favorite movies in the HTML. And after that, now this is movies.javascript file. So in this code block retrieves the value of the IMDb query parameters from the URL of the current page using the URL search params API. It then uses the fetch methods to retrieve information about a specific movie identified by the IMDb from the Omdb API. Then the response.json method is used to convert a retrieved data to JSON format. Once the data is parsed, the movie details are displayed on the web page using the inner HTML property of movie detail HTML element. The movie details are displayed in the responsive layout with the movie poster displayed on the left and the movie details displayed on the right. The movie details include the movie title, year, genre, director, actors, plot, rated, IMDb rating, awards and country. If an error occurs while retrieving the data or parsing it as a JSON, an error message is lodged to the console using console.error method. Now overall the conclusion is the application has two main pages, the search page and movie page. The search page allows user to enter the search query, which is then used to retrieve list movies that matches the query. The movie details pages displays the details of specific movie that user has clicked on. The JavaScript code for the search pages handle user input by listening for form submission and using fetch methods to retrieve